everyone, good morning. Cheryl here with our weekly Wise Guys, and we actually got some new fabric in last week, which we've been waiting. So we're going to do a little bit of a shop tour today instead of a demonstration, just to kind of show off some of the new things that we've gotten in. We're starting out here today at the cutting table with this awesome dinosaur fabric from Hoffman. And it's a digital print, so it's just beautifully done. Let me unwrap it one more time here. And the repeat is like, I think 42 inches or something. It's a huge repeat, but it's just gorgeous.
Very cool.
Okay, and then this is a coordinate that goes with it. And then it also has this ombre, let me unpin quick, an ombre that would be great for borders or backing.
And we had a couple ladies purchase that to use for purses and totes.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
I'm going to continue through the shop here. We've got some new things in for the embroiderers. This cute little set of coasters that are sports related or baseball or softball related. I love baseball. I love softball. Take me out to the ball game. One shaped like a baseball, and there's no place like home. And then the seasonal swirl mug rugs, that are just really cute. These designs are great. I thought they'd even be fun to stitch those designs onto like our Mix 6 table runner. We've been waiting since before Christmas for our Floriani thread racks. These racks hang on the wall and they hold 60 spools of thread. And then also, those of you who haven't seen, the stabilizer rack matches, and they're wonderful for holding your stabilizers. So new for the embroiderers. I'm going to just head back through the shop here. These are the purses that are from our Playing with Purses online class that started a week or so, 2 weeks ago, but it is a 6-week session and you can join at any time because everything has been recorded as we've gone along. So I'm going to just walk along this way and I'm going to flip over to the other side for a second. I want to show you our wide backs. We have about 60 in stock. And lots of you have been finishing quilts. Wide backs also work great for quilt as you go. And our 3 o'clock Friday this week window shopping is going to talk about another type of quilt as you go. The other thing that we've done is we've added pre-cut wide backs. 3 yards, $59.99. Just pick up and grab. You don't have to lift the heavy bolts. And it's just another way to grab a wide back, which remember you can use for different things. So that's one new cut that we hadn't been doing before. We have lots and lots of fabric coming in that we're still waiting on, but as Cheryl said, we did get some fun stuff in. This celestial design just came in, works great with our Starlit line. Cheryl, you want to pull that one out? Yep. This is the coordinate, that goes with it. And we paired it with, again, some of the Starlit. Did some 6-pack bundles. And we got this fun little farm print in. Just really cute. And again, works well with the colors in Starlit. And really nice with Cocoa. So we put some bundles together for that. And there's a coordinated stripe as well. And the Tulip Pink, we still have some of those pieces, and the Tulip Pink quilt up here is one that Cheryl did a tutorial on a few weeks back. And what we've done in the shop, you'll see there's a little sign here, and I don't want to get too close because the sign has a QR code on it. What that means is you can take your phone, scan that QR, and it'll bring to your phone the video that Cheryl did on this quilt. So you have support video support. Those are on our website and on our YouTube channel, but you can also just grab it right on your phone when you get the pattern. And again, poppies were in, but we added, you can see this bundle is a pre-cut 3-yard wide back that would work beautifully with the poppy fabric. So we've tucked those in different places around the shop. And this again is Quilt As You Go. The sign on there with the QR code links right to the video of that. This fun cactus print runner is a new sample. And as we come across, some of you may not have seen this bright floral is new within the last couple weeks. And there are a couple blenders down here and some 6-pack bundles on that as well. And then we got a whole new line in. And I'm going to have Cheryl pull a bolt or two in just a second, but I'm going to show you the panel. The panel is all different colors and just a fun print for a Quilt As You Go, for any pattern that has large pieces, as well as, again, I'm going to be demoing some things with that on Friday at 3. And then these are some of the blenders that go with it, or I should say coordinates. Blenders tend to be tone on tone, but they're just cute as can be, and really a fun set. Lovely. And they work great with pixie dots. These are, we have in a number of different colors. They are one color background, and then the little circles on them are black and white, so they coordinate well. That is some William Morris. We have a few more, Morris and Company have a few more bolts of that coming in. And then we also got just this lovely kind of traditional print and a number of coordinates that go with that line as well. And again, fat quarter bundles coordinated for you. Many of you were interested in this line. It was the set that we had. There was a panel that had a moose, looked like it was on a waterfall. We have that entire line coming in. They're saying sometime probably mid-March, which is pretty close to now. We're getting there. This one we've had in for a number of weeks, but it's just beautiful. The calla lilies are newer, one of our new favorites. And we did put together some new 5-yard bundles of coordinates that go together with that. And then I'm going to head over this way. And this one is the new McKenna Ryan prints. And these are her vintage farmhouse, or farmhouse vintage, I think it's called, with just pretty prints all over, made on a beautiful quality of fabric. And there are a variety of different colors in there. The hydrangeas are just beautiful in that taupe and gray. And Cheryl's going to pull out some blenders. This is an ombre going from light to dark, and those all coordinate with the other McKenna Ryan prints. Lots of really pretty prints. So that's what's new in here. And I'm going to try not to make you motion sick as I walk around here. And remember that we've got our log cabin techniques videos coming up sometime in March. Won't be too long, but that'll be fun for everybody. Again, Quilt As You Go runner and some new samples. I'm only going to tease you about that sample. It was just around the corner. Cheryl did a couple new patterns, and that's going to be next Tuesday's video. As we come in here, again, the cocoa combination here, we got a lot of new flannel in. Mostly kids flannel, but just some great bundles. And we've got the books that do 3-yard quilts, 1 yard each of 3. I'm going to just go across here for a minute and let you see some of the prints. Cute little unicorn with stars, some baby bunnies, Baba Black Sheep and nursery rhymes. And then over here, some planets, cute little farm animals, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, some monkeys, some rainbows, cute little bunnies, and some giraffes. And what we did is we put together a number of 3-yard bundles The books that are the 3-yard books, they have 8 patterns in each book. And Cheryl's got one over here that we just put together. She's going to hold up for us. Just a real sweet little design. I'm going to go up close so you can see the cute print on there. And that was from the 3-yard quilt book. It's actually the quilt that's on the cover of the book. But these books are $15, $15.99, and they each have 8 patterns in them. Each pattern uses 1 yard each of 3 fabrics. So it's really a nice way to pick up and do a real quick baby quilt. And as I go over this way, a couple new things in here. Not too much. We're waiting on a lot, as I mentioned. These are new, a few new dog prints. Cute little all over puppies, and as well as some of these. It was easier to squat down than it was to get up. And we did get some new fabric books in. Another Dexter the Dinosaur. He's got his numbers, he's got his alphabet. So those soft books are great. We still have the Hungry Animal and the coordinating book. And as we come across here, most of these have been here for a little bit. And some of you saw when I posted the other day, I posted some yoga fabric. That was just a fun little bolt. And this one is different things that are stress relieving. I'm pretty sure there's ice cream on there somewhere, but I'm not sure. And the big dots are always fun. And as we come across, we've got just a little bit left of the glow-in-the-dark frogs. We did get some new nursing fabric in, and healthcare workers, and a cute little soft book that is for kids. It's got little band-aids and little stories on it. Very sweet. And over here, the llamas we had in the pink, but we got the navy blue llamas in, and the powder blue llamas here, the truck prints. Cheryl also just recently finished a sample with that. We'll probably show you that next week also. And Brittany did a cute little new update on our Mix 6, where we appliqued the animals onto the quilt. So just sweet little woodland animals. And again, the A-OK baby patterns, where you're using a 1/2 yard each of 4 different fabrics. And you can make any of those different patterns from those 4 1/2 yard kits. Now, as we come up in the middle room, we got a lot of new batiks in the last week or two. Our color walls, we kind of rearranged this middle room and moved the batiks up here if you haven't been in here in a few weeks. These are some that came in, a couple weeks ago, but they are just lovely. And the newest line Cheryl's holding for us here, these are just gorgeous. And I'm going to angle this way because that lamp is a little bright in the background. There you go. Beautiful blues and greens and browns. And there we go. There we are. Really pretty. Really nice mix of just gorgeous colors in those batiks. So that's kind of the latest there. And we did get some new little bit of baseball, a few different things there, some new camo some of you had been looking for, and a fair number of new patriotic pieces, stars and stripes, flags, variety of different things there. And this end, the flames are new, 2 different flame patterns, and this one is a kind of Route 66 garage print, and just kind of a fun bolt. Took me a while to think of the word bolt. Thank you very much. And again, our creams, tans, and grays, we got quite a few more of those in. And Cheryl, I think that's about it for right now. And she'll say goodbye.
Bye.
I'll say goodbye. and I will see you Friday at 3 for window shopping. Thanks. Bye.